Jackie, we're not in Kansas anymore. He's like, oh, whatever.
On this episode on Proceeding Onward in America.
So I think it was having trouble.
Make sure we don't really have low clearance.
It's like we're gonna have to replace this.
Who wouldn't want to have burritos? This view. Ready? We got
Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Welcome to the Grand Colorados, where we are hiking in Pike Peak Mountains. And on our way up, there's some rough roads, and we got low clearances. Is this what you call colorful roads in Colorado?
Of course, we have the gimbal on, so you can't tell that we're bouncing as much. I don't see no mountains. Colorado, Rocky Mountain High. Oh, the song that. Here we come to Pikes Peak.
We're driving to Colorado on Colorado Avenue in Colorado State.
It's a lot of Colorados. So 64 degrees now. We're going up the mountain. See what it is on the top. We're at the city above the clouds with a McDonald's. With a water slide. Lazy River, and a lot of pools. Alright, so we're now on the right road for us. About 5 miles. This is what I expected. This is what I read in the reviews. We found it off of freecampsites.net. We'll put a link down below where we are. Looks like it has a teepee there. There's a trailer. Nice. A trail. Angler's Trail. Ooh. That's where all these cars are coming and going from. There's a trail that way. More RV parking up there. Rough road. Yeah. Oh my gosh, everybody. Look at this view. Ready? We got Pikes Peak right there. And we got all those mountains way over there. See what it is on the top. Well, that should be to hammer down. You think?
I can take it off and I'll see what I can do.
And that's what happens when you have low clearance. Low clearance and a dog that walked in front.
There's some rough roads, and we got low clearances. So coming up here to find this campground that has a great view.
Whoa, hold on, let me show you that view. Oh, the trees are in the way.
Maybe I can get a chainsaw and cut the trees down.
Yeah, hold on. Booyaka! Look at that view. That's Pike Peak right there. Okay. And we're back.
Okay, I guess back to me now. Well, I'm sure a lot of you have suffered this. Right now, I was able to jam this jack underneath here.
Kind of. It's kind of loose.
But give it some stabilization right now. But that's pretty much what I'm about to do right now. And then I'm just going to take this off, see if I could bend it back into position. If not, which I'm thinking I can't, because I just noticed the turning bar right here is completely bent. So we're going to have to replace this. Maybe there's a camping world in the woods.
Which size sockets are you using for that?
3/8. Why?
3/8? Okay.
Why?
Just in case that anybody asks. In case if they have to do theirs.
One,
3/8.
there's two different ones that was in the first one. So again, it's up to the whatever they decide to use to screw it in.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Because this screw is way different from that screw. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so I'm not going to show you from the beginning on how we got here at this moment. So as you go around that bend right there, you will see the campsite that we're staying at right on the left-hand side. But before you end up trying for it, make sure you don't really have low clearance. Also, make sure you back up and you have four-wheel drive. It'll make it so much easier because we hit some ruts, and I'll show you some ruts. As we entered in, you'll see this rock. There's some people camping down there. That looks nice. Tenting right up. There's this rock. Stay to the left of it. Now, it does V right over here. So I'll show you. There are more spots down there. Problem is, if you don't stay to the left of that tree right there, you're gonna hit this. And it's pretty deep. Ooh, as I fall into it. There's some pretty big ruts in certain locations. So you definitely want to scout out the area prior, or else you're going to have some major issues like we did. But there's some beautiful sights and scenery. Yeah, look at this. Like, that's like way past my ankle. And I mean, it's great shots. People come out here all the time, as you can clearly see. It's free. But yeah, don't go that way. Go that way. The road's a lot nicer. But we chose to stay up here, so we backed in. Still have a great view of Pike's Peak and everything else. And the propane's on. Maybe it's from all the dirt or the high elevation. It sounds better out here.
No, it just started. It was doing the click, 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 and then it just started. So I think it was happening. Burritos on Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah.
On Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
In Colorado mountains. That's
Everybody.
That's a lot to say.
That is a lot to say. But who wouldn't want to have burritos being in the mountains in Colorado?
I don't think Jag does.
It's not sunset yet, but look at that. So beautiful. Hi, baby boy. You just chilling? Like legit. I wake up to that. There's my window. I wake up to that. Look at that. So we have been at this campsite for a couple of nights.
2 nights.
2 nights. And we showed you some of the views, but I want to go over some of the reasons why you wouldn't want to camp here.
Why you want it?
Yep, why you wouldn't.
Why is that?
Well, firstly, look at all this shade. If you're trying to boondock here for a couple of days, you can't use your solar panels.
There's a few sites that have sunlight.
That's more up the hill and stuff like that and so forth. But our spot, it's a lot of shade underneath a lot of trees. So you wouldn't really want to be at this spot due to the sun not getting to your solar panel. But if you have a generator, which we do,
That would work out perfectly.
that would work out perfectly. Another reason, it's a little windy. We're lucky though. Our spot is hidden by the mountain. The wind, as you can see by my wonderful hair this morning, I'm being the mountain woman, is coming from right over there. So if you decide, like those people over there that are tenting, to stay on the west side of the mountain, you're going to get a lot of wind. So we got really lucky. What's another one? What do you think?
I would say that the ground is definitely uneven, but that's what you get when you come to mountains. You should know that.
Yeah, there's not a lot of level spots. So
And
yeah.
the other thing would probably be, due to all the roads conditions on the lumps and snugs and holes, I would definitely suggest you have a high clearance camper.
Yep.
That's how come we broke our stabilizer.
And another thing, you're going to go through a lot of propane because it gets cold up here, and you're going to have to run your heater and everything pretty much all night long, which could lead to having dead batteries in the morning because you need the power for all that stuff. we got dead batteries right now. But some of the positives, let's go to the different site.
It's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful. As we talked about, let's show them the beautifulness.
Got very beautiful mountains there. And right over there you have
All that view.
all that view. So it's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful site. And you have a lot of peace and quiet.
Yes. You don't.
Peace and quiet.
So much peace and quiet. We just got to see a beautiful sunset. We didn't really go outside at night because it's so cold to see. But we had like full moon and everything. It was to die for. Like
At nighttime, it's beautiful skies, especially clear as skies. You can see stars for miles. But you do have to dress up very, very warm.
Mm-hmm. So besides that, I think there's a lot of perks to here because of the views and of being able to stay here for several days and seeing all this stuff. It's just a couple of things that we want you to know of. That's beautiful spots sometimes lead to the hardest spots.
But I guess that's why they're so hard, because they're so beautiful.
Yeah.
The best apple is always at the top of the tree.
Yep. Oh, and the air quality is very fresh, and you don't get all that like smog and everything from vehicles.
Unless it's running now. But
Yeah, except for our truck that's running right now. But the thing is, you're breathing because the elevation, we're what, 9,333 feet up? So it does affect your breathing a lot. So just want to go through that before we depart our spot.
all right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Pike Peaks. I just want to show you what it looks like as we're exiting. I mean, it's not too horrible on this road. It's just more of getting in and out. All the spots that, I missed that big one to the right. That's good. Fun fact, did you know that you weigh less when you're up in the mountains? Yeah. So, I'm gonna throw that in there. Kill some time. Yeah, he's going nice and slow with these. Of course, you can't see it because of the bump. But it goes down there. It's not like you can drive straight in, straight out. Definitely goes up and down. Up here, is actually where it's really the sunniest, where you work with your solar panels. Now see, a lot of sun up here. You missed that one on the left. Good job, baby. There's a path off to the side, so you missed some of these. I think he's gonna take it. There's one gnarly one coming up. See how this goes. Ah, careful of the tree branches. But yeah, people, because of that dip right there, he's about to go over the front. Alright. Yeah, that can be pretty gnarly right there. We did bottom out first time coming through. But yeah, we filled some of that in yesterday with dirt. Help with the whole... Oh, you're braking and you're not stopping. Woo! All right, she's gonna take that turn wide. I'm gonna watch, make sure. Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, you'll be good. Now the back end, just go slow. Yeah, we got it. Clear. Perfect. So filling that in right there yesterday definitely helped. You took some of the sand from over there. But yeah, that's where we lost our stabilizer going in. But yeah, clearly tell. It's really hard to see on here. But those ruts right there, whew, pretty nasty. So we hope that you enjoy our views, and we'll show you some more of the area on the next episode.
Let's enjoy Colorado. This is definitely a great hiking trail. You look as red as that rock. We don't know which way we're going.
You sit? Good boy. They might come closer if you're just being good.